Welcome to English 900.
Unit 2. 1. About visits.
Hello. Can I see Mr. Green?
Do you have an appointment?
Sorry, I don't.
Yes, at 3 p.m.
Sorry, Mr. Green can't see you now.
He's on the phone.
Would you wait here for a minute?
Would you like something to drink?
Tea, please.
Mr. Green, Mr. Smith is here.
You may go in now.
Nice to see you, my old friend.
How have you been these years?
You've changed little.
Do you still remember that Christmas?
2. About languages.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
How long have you studied English?
He speaks English fluently.
Your English is very good.
You speak English pretty well.
Are you a native speaker of English?
My native language is Chinese.
He speaks with a London accent.
He has a strong accent.
I have some difficulty in expressing myself.
I'm always confused with s and th.
Can you write in English?
Your pronunciation is excellent.
How can I improve my spoken English?
3. Talking about activities.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
I'm cooking.
Are you watching TV now?
Yes, I'm watching Channel 5.
No, I'm listening to the radio.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Who are you writing to?
I'm writing to an old friend.
What will you do this weekend?
I'll go to a concert.
I'll go on an outing with some friends.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it a great deal. Yes, I like it very much.
4. About age.
How old are you?
I'm 22. I'm 22 years old.
Mr. Smith is still in his 40s.
I'm 2 years younger than my sister.
My elder sister is 1 year older than her husband.
He's the youngest in the family.
He looks much younger than he is.
I came here when I was 20.
I started school at the age of 6.
My father is over 60 years old.
Most of them are less than 30.
I guess he's about 30.
She's going to be 15 next month.
They'll have a party for their 10th wedding anniversary.
He's still a boy after all.
5. Talking about daily activities.
When do you get up every day?
I usually get up at 8 o'clock.
Where do you have your lunch?
I have my lunch in a snack bar nearby.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a hamburger and a fried chicken leg.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 o'clock.
What do you do at work?
I answer telephones and do some typing.
What time do you finish your work?
At 6 o'clock sharp.
What do you do in your spare time?
I like listening to pop music.
I like playing football.